Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Remove the SD card safely from your device and use a USB reader. Inspect the card for corrosion, cracked plastic, or bent pins under bright light. Note the card size as 32 mm by 24 mm by 1 mm to identify type. If the card still mounts, copy all readable files to another drive right away. Use a separate folder on a desktop drive for backup and name it with the card capacity, like 32 GB or 64 GB. Stop if files are missing and avoid further writes to the card. Insert the SD card into a Windows PC using a reader and note its drive letter. Open an elevated command prompt and run chkdske/f to repair logical file system errors. If chkdsk fails, run diskpart, select the disk number, then run clean to remove partitions. After cleaning, run create partition primary, and then format fs equals FAT32 quick for cards 32 GB or smaller. For cards larger than 32 GB, format fs equals exFAT quick instead. Eject the card safely when done and on Linux, identify the SD device as /dev/sdx using lsblk or fdiskl first. To remove corrupted headers, run dd if equals /dev/0 of equals /dev/sdxbs equals 4m count equals 10 carefully, and then sync the device. After zeroing, recreate a partition table with fdisk or parted and make a primary partition. Format the partition as vfat for compatibility or exFAT for large capacities. If the card still fails, inspect and clean the metal contacts with a lint-free cloth and 90% isopropyl alcohol. Replace the adapter or reader before assuming the card is irreparable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.